What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a chillax Sunday fun day. Me and Leo came back up again. Hey, so we are headed to the Norcal CRX owners. Is this the first meet of the year?
Yeah, first meet of the year.
This is the first meet of the year, and we're hoping for more. It's supposed to be a tri-monthly thing, but you know, I mean, Chad is super busy, so this is the first one. Hopefully there's a cruise at the end of the year, because we're always looking forward to the cruise. So me and Leo is the only one leaving right now. I mean, we just got some gas and we're about to head on the road. You guys should have seen like some of the San Leandro meets. It's going to be in the same area, but this time at the 21st Amendment Brewery Factory. And I don't drink, but we're going to be over there. Everybody's going to have a great time. Hopefully a lot of people come out, and let's get this trip on the road. Today we are in the good old CRX. It's been a couple of months since I've driven this car, and my cable is freaking broken. Look at that. Where's my upshifts? I don't know. That is gonna be a problem. Let's go. Tony, always the first one out, man. Car's looking good, man. Drive safe. What is going on, you guys? We are out here in San Leandro, 21st Amendment Brewery. And what is this, Chad? The 11th? Well, it's not even 11th. This is literally the 11th year of the CRX, Norcal CRX owners meet. And guys, look at the freaking turnout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tony left. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 cars. And that's the most we've had at an actual meet. The cruise, we had like about 30 cars, which was awesome. But at the meet, this is the meet. We normally have a tri-monthly meet like once every 3 months. But because of COVID and stuff, this is literally the first one of the year, and we're like end of August already. And I'm thankful. I'm glad that everybody came out to hang out. And obviously we're gonna be here at the brewery factory. It's kind of I don't know if they got seatings for this amount of people, but we're gonna be heading in there a little bit and, you know, grab some food and drinks. But just want to give you guys a quick little walk around with all the cars before some people leave. So let's take a look. I've seen this a couple of times. Really dope with the carbon front. He was on the cruise with us as well too, but the car was black. I think this car is painted. Looks like paint. Yeah, it is paint. But man, it's nice to see this car out here. This is the homie Sean's car, K-swap. He just told me right now that he's dailing this car, but you know, there ain't nothing wrong with dailing a CRX with a K-swap, right? I would say this guy pulled up to the right spot, but I don't think anybody got cash. Vicky's ice cream. So I'm checking out this CRX right here. Optional, OEM everything, super clean. J front, you know I'm a sucker for J front. On the MF10s too. Boy, you better chill. We're gonna probably be doing some work to this car soon. Don't count on it. Not often we get the first gens out here, but I must tell you, I'm a sucker for these guys too. Now I don't know too much about it, but been in and out of this a couple times in my life. Never owned one, but I've seen a lot of people doing some crazy swap to this thing. So I'm a little curious with this little hood riser. You know, it might have a K turbo or something, I don't know, you know, but you know, life is full of surprises, right? If it doesn't pop his hood, we'll never know. Got the homie Christian out here. This is the guy that had the fuel pump when we were on the cruise. Eastside Engineering. You know what I'm saying? He had the fuel pump for me when my fuel pump went out all the way up in the mountains, and he just wrapped his car black. Now this was the first time. It was the first time, and it's pretty decent. You know, he's not going for like the most perfect wrap job. He just kind of wanted to wrap over the previous paint job that was on this car that was kind of, you know, beat up throughout the years. But I must say, it looks really good. Stevie has been doing some track day recently, and his car seems to be performing really well. Aside from after a couple hot laps on a 100-degree day, it gets hot. But eventually he's going to upgrade to a full-size radiator. Right now he's on a half, and Stevie runs the Sacramento EF crew. Glad to see him out here. He also wrapped his car for the first time, and it is looking fire because his car was multicolored Superior blue, or whatever the OEM CRX blue this is, but he did this wrap that's really close to the OEM color, and it looks good. It looks really good. Yoshi. Okay, man, you know, every time I see this car, there's always something different, huh? Always something different. Always something different. Man, the last time I saw it had the LS motor in it. Yep. LS motor. What we got going on now?
Now it's a V18 Si.
Si.
So Japanese high compression GSR.
Ooh, okay. I did, like I said earlier when I was checking it out, he has the actual Miracle X bar back here. I didn't see this before, but one of those rare items you don't see often anymore. And his car, my goodness, bro, it's got all of the stuff that I would love to have in my car. Dash mat, I'm probably gonna get one later, but these door panels, definitely want to get this for my 88 because my door panels are all crumbled up, and every time I put my arm out the window, it will cut my my skin. But these I have an eye on them right now. But look at his interior, guys. Super clean, man. Super clean. Got power windows. You got power windows, you said, right? All the sedan stuff.
No, they're actually the JDM.
Oh, these are the actual JDM ones. Damn, loving it, man, loving it. But yeah, man, have you gone to track after October?
Yeah.
You have? With Stevie?
Yep.
With Stevie?
We went, yeah.
Yeah, man. So how was your car hold up temp-wise opposed to him?
Oh, well, since I have the full radiator, I mean, it didn't affect me at all. Right?
Okay, man, that's freaking awesome. You don't have no like crazy aftermarket gauges or anything to help you keep your temp other than the stock one?
No, not yet.
Okay, well, hey, where's Stevie at? Stevie, man, you're gonna need that full-size radiator. Yeah, you do. But anyways, man, it's good to see this car out here. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably walk down the line real quick, guys, before everybody else starts leaving again. So this one, hey brother, what was your name again? Adam. So Adam has this nice CRX Si model. I've never seen an Si model before, and the reason why this kind of caught my eye at first was because it had a full ZC front, and then it has an Si or glass top, right? And then I came to the back, and this is authentic, right? Not converted vehicle. And he said this is literally straight up an Si model. So what threw me off is the Si badge, because you know what I'm saying, I thought Si only came here in America. I didn't know Si came in Japan. But real CRX Si. He's got
the seats.
Yeah, the seats. Everything is all original in here. It's got the dual overhead cam ZC. This is definitely a gem out here. Like I said, threw me off, license plate from Minnesota, but he lives here as well too. So, you know, he travels between Minnesota and California, and it's nice to see this out here. Definitely a new one for me since all of the meets that we've been through for the CRX owners. But different right here. This one right here definitely takes the cake. So what's your take? You got that little trim piece or what?
I just gotta look for it.
Just gotta look for it.
One of my storage.
Gotta be one of your storage. You got his contact though? You got his contact? He's gonna try to get you on that that trim piece, man.
Alright, man.
Yeah. Yeah, all original Si, like 80, 89 model.
This one right here, dude. This one touches hard.
This is, no, yours is 9091, but this,
Yeah, 9091.
all original looking, stock wheels, stock height. When do you see a bone? This is original paint job. You know what I'm saying? Like, when do you see that? I mean, I'm so used to seeing modified cars that when you come across a stock gem, you can appreciate it a lot more. The OK Honda sticker? The original Honda sticker right here on the window?
Just to prove to you that it's a full.
This is the OEM thing.
Yeah, dude, I can appreciate this. And then you got this one. Oof.
The VTEC center.
This thing right here is also like an OEM spec. It is repainted, you can tell, but it's like restored back to the factory specs, and I can appreciate that a lot because, like I said, you start appreciating these cars a lot more when you see them in stock form, because you don't often see CRXs around here as often anymore. But these two right here, fire. Holy moly.
I think it's like a
Must be a VW at heart.
no. Harley Quinn.
This is cool though. This is cool. You don't often see people, you know, everybody who restores a car, they always paint their engine bay or their engines like cast aluminum or something, but this is out of the norm, man. You got the yellow, the blue, the teal, the green. The block is painted too. Holy moly.
Autism.
You know,
Autism awareness.
there you go. That's what it is.
For, yeah.
There was a CRX autism build that's still going on right now, but I'm not on Facebook anymore, but I've seen his build and he's done a lot of like this theme. It's pretty cool, man. I dig it. I dig it. The fact that it's completely stock on the outside too, boy. Can't really see it, but look at these seats. They are saying it's covers.
Yeah.
These are covers.
Yeah, they fit pretty good.
What?
They you know, you tell them what seats, and then they know what shape. They have a warehouse full of the seats.
Oh, I could have sworn I thought these were like upholstered, re-upholstered or something.
Yeah.
It looks good.
$200 for that
The
stuff.
fact that they have the pockets in the back still.
Yeah.
Wow, $200 you said? From where?
Trying to think what. I can't remember the name.
Online or is it
I quoted them online.
okay.
Yeah. And they have a bunch of other styles like 2 colors, you know.
Like fabric material?
Yeah, but the blues are all too bright. So I wanted
This kind of fits more of the OEM shade of blue, like the HF. What is this?
This is as close as I could get. It's a DX.
It's a DX.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty close. Is this side unopened? Open? Oh, you just roll the windows. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Wow. You know what this reminds me of, Leo?
Yeah.
This reminds me of the Beagle pattern, the JDM Beagle. It has this little like red and green like stitching in between.
And the V10,
Yeah, dude, these are really soft too. So did you have like the bolster, like the foam fall apart, or?
Yeah, especially on this side. This one, it's all falling apart underneath.
So did you redo that, or?
I redid it a little bit, but
The shape is pretty good. Like it's symmetrical to the other side.
This is the worst part right here, and
Very common. Yeah, man, these are really nice. They feel really soft. Maybe I'm gonna look into this, you know?
Yeah.
My seats are starting to get there.
Other styles that are great.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out, man. Love it. Love the engine bay theme going on here.
Yeah.
You said it was an autism
Clown car.
clown car.
Clown car thing.
Clown car theme. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I mean, different purposes. You got the autism, you got the V-dub guys who do like different colored doors, fenders and stuff, and then clown. I didn't even think of that one.
Well, I just actually it was I wanted it to be clear that that was not the stock motor.
But
So,
okay, so what is it?
No, I'm sorry, it's a stock motor. But
Oh,
it's
okay,
been
it's a stock
redone.
motor.
It's
Okay,
not
okay.
the original. I mean, sorry,
Okay,
it's not the
okay.
original.
Runs good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
About 8,000 or 9,000 on this motor.
8,000 or 9,000 miles. You drove this from where?
Fairfax.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Man, if you guys are OGs, if you guys remember my sedan back in the days when I had these wheels on it, but mine were 16s and they were heavy as fuck. But anyways, this CRX right here, also repainted, really nice, really clean, very subtle. You know, I don't like to go too crazy with cars nowadays, but this one is definitely thumbs up in my books, because something about this color. I think this might be like the original well, not frost, it's polar white, because polar white gives you a little of like championship color shade, like yellow or cream color, and looks good. It's not that crazy bright white. Hella fast. So owner of this car says this decal was installed from Honda, and they said the CSE stands for what? Customer service experience. Any of you guys that work at Honda knows what CSE means? Leave it in the comments below, because I would like to know as well too. It's kind of weird that they would put AC. It's got AC? Oh, I mean, this thing is all stock, so you know,
Yeah.
70,000? 70,000 you said? Holy moly. Yeah, you guys will find out soon. Let me know what this means. CSE. One of those rare color CRXs, man. You don't see them often. That's why we thought it was Alicia's car. We're like, hold on a second. Yeah, that's awesome. We got the weird looking 4x114 hubcaps on there. So after that last vehicle you guys saw that I showed, I literally got caught up with everybody else, and we were just chilling, chopping it up. And there was a couple cars that I missed that left a little early, and pretty much just went inside the brewery factory and just hung out with the guys. Had some food, some drinks, and water from me, but we headed back home, and I just got here probably about 15 minutes ago. Leo was on his way over here in a minute. He had to stop by Mondo's house to pick up some things, and he's gonna come over here to drop off some of the stuff that I threw on his car to get him going. He got all the replacement stuff when he went back home, and I think we're just gonna chill and catch up the rest of the night. But Right now, I took apart my center console right here, and I was trying to figure out what's going on with my cable. So this plastic piece, I don't know how this is secured in here. I don't know if there's like a retaining clip or something that is supposed to clamp pressure this rubber onto the lip of this plastic sleeve, but it keeps popping out. So I don't know if a zip tie or a tie wire or something is supposed to be here, because I don't see anything that might have fallen out. But it was super hard to shift, like anything downshift, and then I would have to go up. I would have to reach down and slide this in to go into the up gears, because as you guys can see, but when I pull it out, this comes out, and then when I try to go forward, the cable is bent, so I can't really, you know, get into the gears. This had to happen when I come across a bunch of cars on the freeway. Why? When this car's running right, I don't see anybody. Put a worm clamp on here, and I don't want to go like over tighten on this because this thing's plastic and I don't want to break it, but it is on there pretty secured. So you can see it doesn't seem like it's popping out, knock on wood. I mean, if I have to, I do have K-tune cables I took out of my wagon because I didn't like the way it feels. But if I'm driving this car more often and I need cables now, I can probably just toss them in until I find some stock cables, because I like the stock cables feel a lot more than the K-tunes. So hopefully this will get me by for now. Probably gonna have to reclamp it down because kind of didn't get the lip all the way. So this should do the job. Like I said, me and Leo was just chilling right now, just BSing, and today was a good turnout.
It's been an awesome day, man. It was a great turnout.
It was a good amount of cars.
Good food, good people.
I missed the food because I was outside chilling with y'all. Some of the guys that were out there were chopping it up while everybody was drinking it up and eating some burgers.
I can tell you it was definitely a good spot to go to.
Yeah, 21st Amendment Brewery Factory out in San Leandro, California. That's where we have our CRX Norcal owner meet. And we're hoping that, I mean, Chad doesn't seem like he wants to, but we're hoping that we can get a cruise going on for the end of the year to kind of close out the year. And you know, if we do, we'll probably throw a flyer up beforehand. If we don't, I guess we don't. So we're just fighting mosquitoes at this point, and I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys.
If y'all enjoyed any of today's content, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications.
Ding! See you guys at the next one. Peace. And also, look at her back there. When she gets an opportunity to get inside the car, that's where she sleeps. We out.